Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Panasonic RZ-B110 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to your device, or if they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues, especially if you're getting a sound out of only the left ear or the right ear. Also, the other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to set them up on a new device and just get all the other devices deleted off of it, all the pairing history, so you can set these up as new. It's real easy. First of all, we just want to make sure that there's a sufficient charge on these earbuds. And then we're going to just take them out of the case, and on either the left or the right one, we're just going to find the touch sensor on the back and touch it 6 times quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now they cannot be connected to any Bluetooth when this happens. If they're connected to your device, this won't work. But when they're not connected to anything, we take them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The unit will reset and beep. At which point you can go to your device, delete the previous pairing off of your device, and go ahead and set these earbuds up as a new set of earbuds.